Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cardboard Carnage. Today we have a little Tier 1 baseball. So we got us a hobby box. We picked up down at the LCS, Dugout Sports Cards, Columbia, Missouri. But got a little hit recap first. Got into a random serial number break and got number 7. And we ended up with these 3 cards out of the case. Got a Taylor Ward autograph, Max Scherzer relic, and Starling Marte relic. So we're hoping for a little better luck today. The break was a little rough, but we're gonna try our hand at a box and see what comes out of it. So be a short video, just 3 hits. Sometimes I've seen 4, but show you the odds. Show you the odds here. So you got 2 autographs, 1 relic per box. And if you want to pause that, check out the odds. And also, if you want to mail in a postcard, there's the information there. Alright, 1 silver pack. Looks really thin, so possibly a redemption. Maybe Vlad, that'd be pretty sweet. He's mystery player A from all the stuff I've seen. So we're going to get us a filler out. Because these, you're going to see the autograph right on the back when you open them. So try to open it a little differently here, so we don't see the hits right off the bat. Slide in a filler card here. Okay. So doesn't actually look like we got a redemption. Just a little thinner of a pack. All right. So we'll see what card 1 is. Okay, so our first card is Jose Barrios on card autograph. 175 of 299. Really nice looking cards. There's the back. Okay. And we should have our relic. Charlie Blackmon. 298 of 375. So that gray jersey card there. Really thick card for just a jersey relic, but there's the back of the relic. And our final card. Oop, got it upside down. It's gonna be, it's like White Sox, Tim Anderson. That's the bronze ink to 25. 12 of 25. Tier 1 talent. Tim Anderson. He's actually playing pretty good this year, so not too bad. Looks like he went off card over here though. So, anyway, that's going to be our box for today. And yeah, so there's Tier 1 2019 baseball. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you next time.